Twitter is gas for financials. No, I didn't just read that. Don't tell me you're getting your fucking financial advice from the, God, what do they call themselves on Twitter? The community? Oh my god. I was just looking at, like, the compilation of their worst financial takes. What are they called? What's that community called? No, not financial gurus. They gave themselves a cool name. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Yeah. FinTWT. Yeah. Oh my god, the advice is always so unbelievably bad. Thanks for 5 gift subs, Isaac. Appreciate it. The resub chard. Resub jungle. Can you show us? Yeah, what's the... Hold on, let me find it. I'm pretty sure I follow the account. There's a whole Twitter dedicated to just posting their worst takes. Let me find it. How can you search your following list? Can you search your following list? Thanks, resub, fun guy. I'm gonna give sub Saturn. Just control F it. True, I guess that'll work. Oh, this isn't exactly the same thing. Do I not follow the Twitter one? TikTok Investors is the one that immediately pops to mind, but this isn't the Twitter side. I thought I followed the one that compiles the Twitter side. TikTok Investors goes so hard, though.
Fair amount of bones. And I just, I called my brothers in finance. I'm like, put all of this in Billabong.
Yeah, my dad's been a little bit skeptical of my kind of stock instincts as well.
What's your portfolio right now?
Well, so he wants me to do like more blue chip
TikTok
stocks
financial
and,
advice goes so hard.
with some of my portfolio on some, more fast rising companies that aren't as well established. But to me, it's like, Dad, that's all just verbiage. You know what I mean? Talk to me real. Talk to me like a man to man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So when I come at him, I just go, Dad, pokey.
Yeah.
Do you love it? Does everyone love it?
Yeah.
Who's got the best pokey on the mainland? Bear Flag. Let's invest in them.
Yeah.
They're not a publicly traded company, which is crazy.
Dude.
Because what's their market cap? $3 billion. They got 3 stores.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're probably doing $1 billion each.
Dude, their IPO is going to be off the charts.
It's going to be huge.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
That's initial public
What
offer.
the fuck is
we're
this
sitting
shit?
on that. We're waiting.
Financial podcast.
So then we go, okay, Pokey Shack. That's a publicly traded. They're probably doing $1 billion each.
Dude, their IPO is going to be off the charts.
It's going to be huge.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
That's initial public
What
offer.
the fuck is
we're
this
sitting
shit?
on that. We're waiting.
Financial
So then we go,
podcast.
okay, Pokey Shack. That's a publicly traded company.
Yeah.
That's when we can invest.
My grandma gave me, like, a fair amount of bones.
It's so good. So there's a massive community on TikTok, and they're all like 15 or 16, that are like, here's how you make $1 million quickly. And half of the advice, I swear to God, half of it comes from here. You need to own apartment complexes. How do you get started on this? Call up any of these buildings and start making an offer. And here's how you lowball them into making an offer to own this as a landlord. It's so dumb. It's so fucking dumb. Yeah, there's some drop shipping, but a lot of it, I swear to God, is about being a landlord. No, it's not satire. You would think it was, and I thought it was at first too, until I kept seeing more and more and more, and I'd go to their pages, and it's just like legitimate's the wrong word, them legitimately trying to give financial advice. It's so bad. It's so bad. What's this?
Fuck college, for real. Failing all my classes, hate this shit. I'm gonna get rich. I'm gonna get rich on the stock market, motherfuckers.
Amen.
They'll never see me coming. I'm already rising. Just wait. $1 million soon. I'll update.
This one seems more satirical.
So basically, the company that I thought was going to go up went down 30% in one day. So all my positions just got completely wiped out. And then I made another bet that it was going to go up, and it did. but I slept through the market because I took a nap and lost everything.
Damn, you hate to see that. The stock market just doesn't want to see you win, champ. Just put more money in. God, it's good. Financial advice on Twitter and TikTok is just the best. Thanks to Brian Brock and the resub TJ. The first one was satire? Oh, the pin tweet? I mean, that could be, I guess. I don't know. I don't know those guys. That one could be satire, I guess. Mm-hmm. How about financial advice on Reddit? Reddit is bad for a lot of things, but I will give credit where credit is due. Sometimes, you know, a broken clock is right twice a day. Sometimes they will give some of the best goddamn advice that actually does make millionaires by complete fucking accident. Wall Street Bets will often's the wrong word, occasionally will just have a crazy play that pans out wildly. And I'm not even just talking about GME. There was a lot of them that were preaching Bitcoin back in like 2012, and look at how that panned out. So you might, at some point, if you followed all of Reddit's investing and financial advice, you might make money after losing a ton. If you had infinite money and followed all of Reddit's financial advice, you'd lose a lot, but you'd also win sometimes. Thanks to the Prime link, which is a lot better than TikTok advice, where you'll never win, ever.